Today's video, I will be making a hashbrown casserole. Basically, it's a dump and go, and this is perfect to make for Easter. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the sauce before I put in the hash browns. This is sour cream. It's a whole pint of sour cream going in. I like sour cream. Some recipes have it, some don't, but this does. And I tweaked the recipe because I added stuff to this one that some of the recipes don't have. That's sour cream. Now we're going to put in 1 can cream of chicken soup. Get it all in there. You can make this for any holiday you like, but I figured this would be perfect for Easter. Let me get all the soup out. Now we got a stick melted butter going in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix that up first to get it incorporated. I'll be back. Now it's time to add the spices. 1/2 teaspoon salt, 4 teaspoons black pepper, and 2 teaspoons garlic powder. You gotta have garlic in it. And I like garlic powder. And we'll mix it all in really fast. Now we add everything else. Now, this would be 1 cup cheddar cheese. That I'm going to save for the top. 2 cups Colby jack cheese going in. And I'm going to switch over from a whisk to a spoon to mix it. 1/2 cup chopped onion. And we have hash browns. And the size on this bag is 26 ounce. So we're going to put that in. And then we're going to mix it all up and get it all in. Now switch over to a wooden spoon and mix it all up. Make sure to mix it up thoroughly. You want to make sure the cheese is throughout the casserole. And before we put it in our pan, we got to spray the pan so it don't stick. Make sure to preheat your oven to 350. All I got to do is put it in here. And level it out. And I get my spatula to make sure I get all of it out of here. You don't want to waste any of the sauce and cheese. And yes, I put more cheese in it than the recipe called for. Of course I do. I like cheese. Now, we'll take this wooden spoon and smush it down, making sure it gets everywhere, because we want it nice and level. I'll be back after I level it. This is basically a 2 cheese casserole. Now you just sprinkle the cheddar on top. You got the Colby jack cheese inside. Can you tell I like cheese? Make sure you got an even layer on it. And it's all covered. Going to bake it for 45 minutes at 350. Check it to see. Once it's bubbly and the cheese is melted, it's done. I just got it out of the oven. This is what it looks like when it's finished. I'll plate it up so you can see. The recipe will always be in my description. This is what it looks like when it's plated up. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day, and thanks for watching.